I'm going to show you rolling out the ITB on the foam roller. So the ITB is a strip of fibrous tissue that runs up the outside of your thigh, and it can often cause problems on the outside of the knee. It's a really common problem for runners. So this is a really useful exercise for sort of loosening off bits of stuck tissue that can occur up the length of the ITB that can alter the mobility of it around the knee. So you'll also get a little bit of work through the quads here and the hamstrings here as well. And it doesn't work for everybody, but if it does work for you, then it's a really great exercise, part of your toolkit for managing this problem. So we're going to lie on our side over the foam roller. And you want to have your elbow supporting you at the top end, and you're going to have your other leg, your top leg bent and just bent over the top so it's out of the way, so you've got room to maneuver. And then you're going to lie right on your side, on the side of the thigh there on the roller, and you're going to start to move up and down. So the band goes all the way up to the hip bone at the side here, and then all the way down to the knee. So you don't want to go over the bone, but you want to go as close to those bones as you can. And you're just going to roll up and down the length and just feeling for any tight spots. So you're going to find some spots are a bit more tight and painful than other spots. So you're going to stop there and then just do a smaller movement up and down just to spend a bit more time working out that area. And then back to rolling up and down. So it can actually be quite a painful exercise to do. So I would start with a little bit, maybe 10-20 seconds to start with, and then you can build up to more time, but you don't need to be doing more than 1 or 2 minutes of this a day, but it can really help to relieve those symptoms on the outside of the knee that are caused by iliotibial band compression syndrome. Okay.